Hello dear viewers and welcome to my channel. So I just received a parcel from Amazon and like most of the products that I purchase online, I like to share my unboxing with you all, the unboxing of the product, and also give you all a brief idea of the product. So this is an addition to my kitchen needs, kitchen essentials, and I keep buying quite often some stuff that is required for the kitchen, and making an unboxing video will definitely help many of you out there who are looking out to buy products online, which will save you the time and also the effort in going to the local market. So this is an ice cream scoop made of stainless steel. I always prefer buying stainless steel products rather than plastic. So online I found many products and I was really confused as to what to go in for. So I just randomly picked this product and I hope it will serve me the purpose. So let's see, I'll be using this in my recipe videos on my channel. So in course of time, after using this, I'll be able to give you all a thorough idea and a detailed review of this product. So the link to this product, you'll find it down below in the description box. So you can refer to that, and also if you wish to make a purchase, you can click on the link and make a purchase.